Hi guys, so for today's video, I'd just like to share some good news. Both our pages, the Tito Pebs Gaming along with Run Online Episode 3 is now monetized in Facebook. We're also gaining more and more views across social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Slowly but surely, we're gaining more and more views by the day. Now, bakit nga ba importante ito? Importante ito because we're not only hitting our goals as far as our Run Online content creation is concerned, gamit ko pa to or run online organic advertising, a perfect recipe for success. So makasisiguro ka that I'll be creating contents for run online for years to come. Ako nga pala si Tito Pebs, isa akong gamer and gumagawa ako ng mga contents to promote run online. By creating contents, I'm trying to bring this game back to its former glory. Kaya tara, samahan mo ako. Let's relive the glory days of Run Online dito sa Run Online Episode 3. Download na and follow for more!